Here's a fact. There is no way of knowing what the future will hold, but there's a very specific way to plan for it. Life insurance, it certainly does protect your loved ones from the potentially devastating financial losses that could result if something happened to you. It's a necessary step to take. Now, joining me this morning is Kensani Baloyi, a product expert from Old Mutual, who's going to unpack all of that for us. Kensani, thank you so much for joining us once more.
Thanks for having me.
Kensani, we know that there's great benefits to having life insurance, but I know that in your role, you've certainly seen so many stories of families be helped by insurance. Please maybe just take us through some of those experiences that you've had.
Absolutely. So life insurance provides a lifeline for many families during their greatest time of need. And I mean, Tabiso, we work incredibly hard to provide for those that we love, right? And we want to make sure that when we pass away, they're not left, you know, like with their lives turned upside down, not knowing where to go for financial assistance.
Oh, yeah.
So what life insurance does is that it gives them that peace of mind that they'll still be able to maintain the same quality of life when we're no longer around. So it basically plays the role of, you know, filling that financial void that our deaths leave in the family. So it allows them to continue going to school, you know, living in the same house, seeing to their living expenses and whatever else they need in that time.
One frequently asked question around life insurance is whether or not it does cover all causes of death. What's the answer there?
So you'll remember in one of the previous episodes, we spoke about the 4 different types of life insurance products that Old Mutual offers.
Yes.
So 3 of those 4 products actually cover both accidental and non-accidental death. So what this means is that if someone dies as a result of an illness or dies in a motor vehicle accident, then we will pay out. And the 4th product covers accidental death only. And this is a product that typically someone who cannot get the other 3 due to medical reasons would take out.
Okay.
So we do cover quite, you know, a wide base, and we cover quite comprehensively.
Can you only claim then when it's time to claim, right, and becomes necessary in the event of death or for a terminal illness?
It's a great question you ask, because depending on the type of life insurance product that you choose, we actually do pay out if you're diagnosed with a terminal illness and have less than 12 months to live. And I mean, looking at 2021 alone, we paid out 156 million rands in terminal illness claims.
Staggering.
So that, yeah, absolutely, so that our customers could make the most of their last moments with their loved ones.
How do I go about selecting the right insurance product for me? Because there are so many options and people find themselves having to deal with a variety of different circumstances and having to consider what those are against the type of life insurance cover or product that they've got to take.
So I always recommend that whoever's shopping around for life insurance reaches out to a financial advisor, because what they do is that they sit down with you and do a very thorough financial needs analysis, looking at your personal circumstances, your affordability, what you need, what your family needs. And then after that, they're able to recommend a set of solutions or a life insurance product that suits those specific needs that you have.
Yeah.
And if anyone's listening and doesn't have access to a financial advisor, I do encourage them to visit our website on allmutual.co.za/life or to phone us on 0860 60 60 60 to get in touch with one of our financial advisors.
And we have seen, Kensani, time and time again how important and how necessary those financial advisors are in that decision-making process, because being able to have someone look at your very individual but also really unique circumstance and be able to give you advice that's tailor-made to that, I mean, come on, you can't put a price to that.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Kensani Baloyi, for joining us today. Product expert at Old Mutual. I love these conversations we've been having. A lifeline when your family does need it most. And that's what life insurance does provide you. So please do reach out to the Old Mutual team today and let them help you find a life insurance option that really does suit your needs and get a hold of your life insurance situation.